Alright, this is a hotel room tour of room 308 at the Hampton Inn Suites in Chincoteague, Virginia. Here is your evacuation plan. Look in the mirror. Hi. There's a door to another room, and over here we have the beds. Feels comfy. The time is 2:02 p.m. There's your hotel room phone. There's your outlets, 2 lamps, and over here is your flat screen television. It's an LG. There's your remote. Here are some drawers, and there's the Bible. There's the microwave. Over here is the refrigerator. Alright. Oh, whoops. There's a trash can. Here is an ice bucket. Another outlet. Or outlets. Over here is another outlet. And your coffee maker. Down here, I don't know what that is. Here's a picture. I have to hurry up because I don't want my phone battery to die. And in here we have the closet. It has an ironing board, an iron, and some other stuff. Alright, here's the bathroom. There's your trash can down there. There's your tissue box. Here's your sink. And there's no soap there in the soap bar thingy. Here's your soaps, some towels. Look in the mirror. Hi. There's your hairdryer bag. And here is your commode. It's an American standard. There's a toilet paper roll. Here is your bath and shower. This is your bath. All right. Here is your shower. I'm not going to turn the bath on. Anyways, here's some bath soap right there and a towel. All right. Over here we have your work desk, your couch, and a picture, as well as a lamp, and a seat, another lamp. Look in the mirror. Hi. Here's your air conditioner with the thermostat right here. Now, let's go outside and get a view from the balcony. I don't know how to open this. There we go. All right. Here is your balcony. Here's your chair. There's another chair. Let's get a view to close out this video. Very nice view. You can see the water and a bridge over there. Down there is like a deck. Alright, that's a hotel room tour of room 308 at the Hampton Inn Suites, Chincoteague, Virginia. That's it.